Well, reports of gunfire at Chevron's office headquarters in Midland turned out to be a false alarm. It happened at the company's building on Deauville just after 12:30 this afternoon. Chevron says employees reported hearing several loud bangs inside of the building. We're told the building was evacuated while police and company security conducted a full sweep. After that search, officials say they found no evidence any shots were fired inside the building. Chevron says they are now investigating a possible mechanical explanation for those noises. At this point, no additional information has been released.